Hi, hello everyone. Let us see common 81 shortcut keys in any MS Word application. On the left side, I have a document, and right hand side, another document, the shortcut keys. I will be explaining you line by line. On the left hand side, you can see the movement of the cursors and shortcut keys, how they will be used, and right side you find the shortcut keys. Let us start. Number 1, home. See my position of the cursor. I am using a mouse and place between printed and between. Now from now onwards I will be using my keyboard. Now it is blinking over there between permitted and between. Let's say I am keyboard, I press the key home button and it has been moved to the starting point of the line. So moves to the starting of the line. And again, and from any place in the line you click and press the home button, it moves to the starting of that particular line. If I click end button, the second one, it is moving to the end of that line. And the third one, page up. On the keyboard I press page up, it is moving up, and page down. Now on the left hand side you see the screen is scrolling down. Page up, it is moving up on the left hand side. Now control home, my cursor is somewhere here between an and here. I press control and home, somewhere anywhere, it is irrelevant. Control home, it came to the, here you find I am pointing out, see this is the first page starting. Control home takes the cursor starting of the page, first page, and control CTRL button and end button. Now see my cursor is in third page, last. This is my third page, that is the last page, came to the end of the page, end of the document. And control home again is going to the first page, you see on the status bar, first line. Control end is going to the last page. It may be 100 pages, 1000 pages, it goes to the last page, end of the document. Now control page up. Now where is my cursor? For everything the cursor position is important. Control page up. My page is at a third page, last. I am moving control page up. Now the cursor moved to the second page. And then control page up. Now it moved to the first page. It is moving one page upwards. Now control page down. CTRL button and page down button on the key. It moves the next page, the succeeding page, and it moves one page down. And again control page down. Again it moves to the third page. And again press down. No. Why? I have only 3 pages here. Now cursor is at third page. So there is no more page for succeeding page over there. Again if I use control home, what happens? Always goes to first page. Control home. See now. It came to first page. Control end. Last page. Control page up. Previous page. Control page up. Previous page. Control page down. Next page. Now the arrow keys. Using arrow keys. Now my cursor is in between somewhere in here. Now the blinking goes there on the left hand side. Now right arrow keepers. Now there is no word. It is see right arrow. Just one letter is moving between there. And left arrow one letter. And up arrow moving one line up. And down arrow see here. Up arrow one line. Find the cursor moving upwards. And down arrow it is moving downwards one line. So, now control right arrow. Where is my cursor? It is end of the page. So I place somewhere here. See I am here moving from here I am moving my cursor somewhere here between different network. Now what I am telling? Control right arrow. Control plus right arrow. So now it is between different networks. Now if I press control right arrow, it is space, and again control right arrow. One word, right side, moving one word, right side, control right arrow. See the cursor moving from one word right on the left hand side. Always you observe this window on the left hand side. Control right arrow. See, even space takes as a one word. control left arrow. Between the space also it moves. And next word. Now control up arrow. Let us see. It is in paragraph. It is moving one paragraph upwards. See. I show you. Wait. See now. To make you understand, I gave you numbering. Now control up arrow. Control up arrow. Now see the cursor. Move to 15th paragraph. Again control up arrow. 14th paragraph. Control up arrow. 13th paragraph. 12th. 11th. Because of numbering is selecting that. Without that you can't understand, so I made you like that. Now I clear the numbering from the paragraph style. Now you see. Control down. Now it is came to paragraph. Control up. See here. Where? So let it keep like that now. Now here my cursor is somewhere here. Now it is moving between paragraphs. Control right arrow means one word right. Control left arrow, one word left. Control up arrow, one paragraph up. Control down arrow, one paragraph downwards. Now see, we will see the next in selections in the next video. Thank you for now.